The first thing we need to do is we'll need to search for VirtualBox online. And so we'll enter this here in the search criteria for the Ubuntu image, and then we'll go to the virtualbox.org website and find the image for the appropriate version of Ubuntu that we have. I have 16.4, so I will click that link and download the version. Alright, once the version has downloaded completely, the Ubuntu Software Center will appear and you'll click the install button in the Software Center. If you're not logged in as sudo, it'll prompt you for your sudo credentials so that the software installation can complete. Alright, once the software install has completed, then you can go into the launcher and type in VirtualBox and open the VirtualBox Manager. If this video has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at AlmostENGR.